So the next topic is data representation. What is that? Data representation. In this data representation, we have 4 types of data representations. One is basically 2 types. What we can say 2 types. One is unsigned magnitude. Unsigned magnitude. Other one is signed representation. Unsigned representation, signed representation. But coming to the signed representation, again there are 3 types. Unsigned representation is only one type, but signed representation there are 3 types. What are that? Here we have signed magnitude. What is that? Signed magnitude. Second one is one's complement representation. One's complement data representation. The third one is two's complement data representation. Two's complement data representation. So these are the 4 types of data representations. What are that? The first category is unsigned magnitude. Second one is signed representation. In the signed representation, again 3 types. What are that? Signed magnitude, one's complement, two's complement representation. What does it mean? What are the category to defining the different types? In this data representation, whatever the bits are available, all the bits will give only magnitude. Even single bit is not used for the sign. Are you got my point? What I told you? Whatever the bits are available, all the bits will give magnitude. Even single bit is not used for sign. It means here there is no possibility to represent the negative numbers. Whatever the numbers are available, all the numbers are positive numbers only in this data representation. Example, see 0, 0, 0, 0. How many bits are here? 4 bits are there. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4 bits are there. All these 4 bits will give magnitude only. No sign bit. What is its value? 0 is the value. 0 is the value. Example, if I take 1, 1, 1, 1. This 1 is magnitude. All the bits are magnitude. No sign bit is here. So what is this value? I think already we discussed how to define this value in the previous lectures. This value is 15. This value is 15. How do you know that? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So 0 to 15. 0 to 15. For example, here there is a one number 1, 0, 0, 1 is there. What is its value? Its value is 9. Its value is 9. Is it clear? Like that. Now, what is the range here? What is the range here? How to define the range? Sir, what is meant by range, sir? What is the range available? This is very, very important here. So, in this example, how many bits are used? 4 bits are used. Out of these 4 bits, the first bit is 0, 0, 0. What is that? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, What is that value? 0. The last bit is 1, 1, 1, 1. We know that. We cannot write more than this. All ones. Its value is 15. Out of 4 bits, how many bits are here? 4 bits. It means if I take n bits is here. N bits is here. What is the starting number? 0. 0, 2. What is the last number we have here? 15. So how to write this? 0 to 2 power of n minus 1. 0 to 2 power of n minus 1. Sir, what is this n, sir? What is this n? Sir, what is this n, sir? N is nothing but a number of bits. N is nothing but a number of bits. Sir, you see how many bits are used here? 4 bits. 4 bits are there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 4 bits are there. So you substitute here 0 to 2 power of 4 minus 1. 0 to 2 power of 4 minus 1. What is the value of 2 power of 4? 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 0 to 15. 0 to 15. Already I written here. 0 is here maximum. Minimum is 0, maximum is 15. For example, if I use 8 bits, then what happened? If I use 8 bits, you tell me what is the range available? You take that example. If you take the 8 bits, what is the 8 bits value? The 8 bits value is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 like that. How many zeros are there? Of course, I written 9 zeros here. You use only 8 zeros. The last one is what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that. What is this value? 0. What is this value? I think you may studied. 255. 255. So, what is the range here? 0 to 2 power of n minus 1 is the formula. What is this? 0 to 2 power of 8 minus 1, that is equal to 0 to 255. 0 to 255. I hope you understand this. Sir, what is the drawback here? In this data representation, there is no possibility to represent the negative numbers. We can represent only positive numbers. So in this case, the main drawback in the case of unsigned magnitude representation, where is that? In unsigned magnitude representation, I told you the example 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 like that, 0, 15, 4 bits example you take, 0 to 2 power of n, minus 1 is the range. What is the disadvantage? What is the disadvantage? All numbers are positive numbers only. All numbers are positive numbers only. No, negative numbers are not possible. Negative numbers are not possible to represent. Not possible to represent. Write down the notes. Whatever I told you in unsigned magnitude representation, you take the points and try to understand. If you are unable to understand, try to watch once again. Are you okay? This is about the unsigned magnitude. Now we are going to talk about the signed magnitude representation.